people. Just doing a general tidy up, and as ever when I'm doing a general tidy up and scrapping out some tiny bits that I took off other things and put in the smalls and blah blah blah, I keep finding little things. I keep thinking, oh look at that. So I thought this time I'll show you. Oh look at that. Can you see the size of that silver contact in there? It's actually huge. Look at that. That is a big one, and it's both sides. Two yummy wads. Very tarnished, but very nice. So, yoink. So, I am filming this as early as I can to try to have as little disruption as I can. And what a nightmare last week's Scrapchat was to actually, you know, get out with the corrupt video. Oh, so yeah, ended up putting it out on Friday. Honestly, so annoying. Right, there we go. Let's get this bit. Oh. 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 So there we go. Yum. That's I mean, look. If you just compare that to the size of my fingernail, what a chunk. Gotta love those contacts, right? Yummy. Yummy. So that's that little thing. The next load I want to get are these, and these, and these, and these. This board has been kicking around for a while. It's just too good to put into a low grade board. I just need to get all these goodies off of it. So I'm thinking I will. So I'm still doing the that garden box. So this is this week's mission. Get that garden box. How crazy is this? But this is what we're going for. Get that garden box totally emptied and getting these laptops in it. Not a small task. Lots of junk in there, but we can do this. Okie dokie. A little Tesco's whisk, little hand mixer. I'm not optimistic about this containing a copper motor. Is there a release for these things? Yep, there we go. But we shall see, won't we? We shall see. Okay. It's a U-screw. Why do they do that? It's so annoying. Well, my attachment won't go down in there, so. Actually, that. I'm breathing this in. Can you see it? Ew. Ew. That actually doesn't look too bad in there. So, well, I mean, I say that. What I'm talking about is the motor, not the detritus. No, Sollers is not the fan of the detritus that comes with these things. But, you know, comes with the territory, unfortunately. Now, I believe oh, I've missed one. I think I've missed one under there. Yes. I could just find a parking spot. Gotcha. Ah. All right. Ew. Doesn't that just give you the heebie-jeebies? This is a hand food mixer, guys. Oh. Ew. 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 Quick, away, away. Ugh. Oh, yeah, but you know, I'm not that bad. Look at me. I got my funky hair. I got my lovely copper mouth. Mmm. Nom 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 nom. Well, that guy thinks he's alright, but for the rest of us, gross. Totally gross. Yeah, I got another guy here. Hey. Yo, I'm like totally chilled out, dude. Yeah, and I'm the absolute opposite. Yeah, man. Totally chill. Not me. Hours of fun. See faces and everything. Ah! It's not having any of it. Come on. Come on, baby. Ah! Ah! Okie dokie. Well, it's got a very small transformer on it. So that one, for me, is going to go into motors and transformers. And I can put that. Do that in a minute. Right. Oh dear. You ever seen that scene where they dismantle Johnny 5? A bit like that, isn't it? That'll do. I don't have the time to strip down armatures. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, I know. Okay. These are magnetic. They're not even stainless steel. Surprise. Okay. Well, didn't really even keep anything out there. Bit of cordage. Right. Next thing. We have a shower. Now this motor is already showing itself as copper. So this is basically a releasing the goods jobby. Yes, it is. So basically I'm just going to get this motor out of here. There's no yummy tanks, brassy goodness, nada, nothing. I probably didn't need to bother with that actually. Done quite a few showers over the years. Oh, I don't even know what this one is. No lid. Don't know if I showed you the skip footage where this came from. I don't think so. No, just why, guys, why? Oh, there's water in it still. Of course there is. Why wouldn't there be, huh? Why wouldn't there be? Just for lols. not. That's oh. Oh! It's coming from there. All right. Oh, curses! Oh, curses! Ah, as luck would have it, I have some kitchen towel. To at least mop up the puddle. Okay. Let's just get that thing out of the way. Oh, that's tiny. Let's go 7 or 6. Not 6. I think 6 because I picked up a 6. 7. I bet it was a 7. Oh, all right. 9 then. 9. That's a 9. Okay. There we go. There's the yummy bit. Delicious. There's a little white mark over there. I thought, oh my gosh, it's Chinesian, but actually, no, it's not. That's good. That's quite a nice big one, actually, isn't it? A bit of like gunmetal type stuff in there as well. Those. Don't forget those bits. Oh, brassy goodness, adds up, right? Clunk. There we go. That'll do it. Oh. Pushed it straight out. Beefy! So, that's that now metal free. And then da 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 da. Damn. It's aluminium. Next, I basically just want to get this brassy goodness right here. Yes, please. I mean, come back, my brassy goodness. Okay. bottom bit. Yeah, there we go. Easy peasy. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Yum. It's great, this adjustable, self-adjusting wrench thing. There we go. More. And then let us not forget this bit down here. Oh, there we go. Done. Sweet, I don't think there's anything in there. Yeah, baby. Ooh, yeah, baby. Ooh, yeah. Oh, Dirt Devil. Yeah, they are nobody's friend. I always keep little things like this, though, because, yes, folks, it is true, but that strap might come in handy someday. True fact. True fact. Right. Ugh, what the heck sort of shape is that? Looks like a shield. Oh, it's because someone's trying to, it's a triangle. Okay. Okay, fine. Can't reach inside there. Oh, temperature's dropping all of a sudden. It's turning evening time and it's suddenly getting very cold. Back in the drawer. Right. There we go. The Dirt Devil. All this smells. All this scrap smells like chip fat. How is that? This will come from the same house? Do not know. Right. Oh, son of a... Oh, I mean, I'm not surprised. This is Dirt Devil, but... Oh, no, wait. Wait. No. That is... Sometimes the lacquer... I actually can't tell whether that's copper or Chinesium. It must be the light, because what does it look like through the screen? Oh, it really looks like Chinesium through the screen, doesn't it? Okay, well, let's do it a different way. There is the file. Oh, man. Totally obvious now. Damn you. Well, not all is lost, because we can get these off. There we go. So yeah, that I can just go in with motors and transformers. Annoying, right? Really annoying. Pass. That is stamping. Not that one because it's too big. Anyone? Oh, that'll do for now. Okay, so that was the Dirty Devil, otherwise known as Dirt Devil. Oh yeah, that can go. All right. All right. It's just boring stuff, isn't it? Yep. It is getting cold. All right. We're going to move into speed scrap mode. Alrighty, we'll start with the most boring, which is this speaker. Jesus Christ alive. There we go. There we go. There's the bit we want. That's it. Not a lot in there, is there? Never is. Right. Office phone, Polycom. Polycoms are good. Those of you who are never sure, yes, if you're into e-waste and you are wondering whether it's worth stripping, yes, let me show you how quickly this is. And bearing in mind I haven't got the right attachment for that, so this is by hand as well. It is super quick to scrap out an office phone, and then you get a nice little board. Different makes have different goodies, some are better than others. This is Polycom. Polycom is good. So let's see this. Should be a good one. No hidden screw. Okay. Look at that. Yes. And it's got a beautiful little gold corner BGA on it. I mean, how nice is this? And also, the boards are not screwed in either, folks. You can literally just rip them out with it. So, then you've got yourself a nice board. I would take off this bit. There we go. And then look at this. Gorgeous. So yeah, well worth stripping. You have got to get rid of your plastic, but for a lot of people that's not actually a problem here. So, you know, it's well worth it. I've lost my I must replace the pry bar that I lost when I was scrapping in my car that day that my son was having an operation and I wasn't allowed in the hospital. and just needed to take my mind off something. So a bit of steel. I swear I must have dropped it on the car park floor. Little mylar. That's it. Well, there'll be a tiny little speaker in there, but it's nothing. It's so light, it's not worth the time. But yeah, not bad, huh? What have we got here? Oh, little tiny doorbell thing. There'll be nothing in there, really. Oh, I take it back. Doorbell. That is a copper spring, my lovelies. Heck to the yeah. Little tiny board. And a little tiny speaker. Not bad either. Okay. Ooh, Normameter. Let's have a look at this. Maybe some screws under here. Oh. Look at that fuse. That's beefy, isn't it? Cool. Huh. Quite a few screws on here. I don't think I've taken one of these apart. See, I feel like I have, but maybe it's just been sitting around for ages. I don't know. Oh, there's some really nice dipped ceramic capacitors in here. Oh, nice few like old style tanties there, like the dipped ones. You know me, I'm a fan of the old tanties. I don't really know why. I just get really excited when I see them. I missed one. Yes. So yeah, even, I mean, the old-fashioned ones look really cute. Almost a bit like hot air balloons, aren't they? Okay. Nice. Look at this. Huge flat pack. And another, both Norma chips. Nice bit of silver flashing going on here. Cool. I like it, but most of all I like these little components. These are really nice. See these? That's what I'm after. Fine. I mean, this is that's a nice beefy fuse, isn't it? I like. In. See? Stands out from the crowd. Okay. Speed scrap it is, however, I do need to get some bits off this yummy board, so, you know, like brass of goodness. Although it is speed scrap, I want to take my time to get those nicely, so I'm not going to rip those off now. Okay. Right. This looks like one of those fancy hair curlers. No, it's not a different sort of massager to what I was stripping out the other day. Filthy minded people. I have you know that sports persons use those for muscle relief. Moving on. Okay. Right. Oh, look at that. Yikes. Time to bring out the big guns. The slate hammer. Ha. I reckon under there, under this bit of whatever it is, will be some more screws. If I can just lift this up. Oh, no, yes. Yes, thought so. Something had to keep it together that end, didn't it? So, okay, here we go. Moving on. Right, board. Okay, so we've got a little MOSFET, a little IC, tiny transformer, and a capacitor, and lots of other capacitors, some little slidey switches, and some singles wire. Not much. Oh, and a little tiny tanty. Oh, so small, I can't even get it with that. And they're diodes. And actually we have got some MLCCs on here as well. Huh. Multi-layered ceramic capacitors for anyone who actually wants to know. And the motor is in here. Let's see how easily I can... aha! How that is possible. Bum, 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 bum. It's a boy. There we go. Look at that. That's an interesting one, isn't it? It's like a double. Interesting. I like. Interesting. I forgot this virgin meat. What are these things called, guys? Routers, that's the one. This is tiny. pen. I don't often get talks on these, you know. Not often. Still a nice quick scrap out though. Always pick up a router if you find one. Or modem, as some of you in different countries still call them. For us, the modems were just like that. The old dial-ups. Alrighty. There's the Broadcom chip. Gotta have that trusted Broadcom chip. And little green fibre under there. Transformer modules. Yeah, not spectacular. Although, you've obviously got your gold here. Here are your gold connector ends. Now, I think it was 999 Desan, who did a gold recovery video on these. Oh my gosh, she had so many. So many. Anyway, there you go. There we go. Stuck!
Where's Crisps in the Jungle?
Yes, Crisps in the Jungle. The jungle is my dad's garden bar. Okay, so this one, not spectacular. Got a COB here, covered in the epoxy, and I shouldn't even really think there's too much going on under here, but try and give it a look. Stubborn. I know, it is too cold now. Mummy's feet are cold and I'm in boots. There we go. Ba-choing! Nope. Not great, is it? I had a pile of just, you know, like the mini motors that you chuck in. 210. Let me see it somewhere. Yeah. So it's when I'm, you know, I haven't got time, I just chuck these in a box, and then eventually the box starts overflowing and I have to actually just come and just finish this bit, getting these motors off. I keep a lot of steel rods, but not these ones that have got the rough coating on them. Just a bit annoying, really. Another one here. Oh, this has actually got the gold pins in it still as well. So yeah, so this is just out of a bog standard printer. It takes printer cartridges, you know, like the little 3 colours and a black. There we go. So I do actually want this bit before I just chuck the rest into shred. There we are. That's the gold contacts, the flashing, and then we just remove these. Then we've also got those nice gold pins. And that shred. It has got a steel rod, but it's a size I have many of, so I really don't need any more. I really do not. Okay, so if I just found this that is half scrapped, it's got loads of little copper and brassy contacts in it. Aye, aye, aye. It's things with plugs. So in that garden box, I've got quite a few pluggy things. So this is nice, but I've got to dig out this brass. Leave no brass behind, guys, but it is paper thin. Well, it's not paper thin, but it is thin. Oh. Now I remember, I think this came out of a handheld Hoover, which is why it's got these weird battery packs going on. Oh, that really is fixed on there. There we go. Leave no brass behind. Brass of goodness. There you go, babe. Don't say I never give you anything. Have some brassy goodness. Right, and then you've got this just bizarre. There we go. Batteries, they need recycling. I can go in my aluminium. Mini motors. Boom. I don't really bother with those ones. Little green spring. Okay, well we did this bit, so granted, some of it's in there ready to do, but anyway, this is now absolutely full. Piles of these. There's probably what we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's about 13 there. So 10, 20. Conservatively, we'll say 35. That's not all of them. I have definitely lost some because I have more. So I think we'll be coming across some more buried ones of those. Oh yeah, I just wanted to put in these as well. Ready. This is just temporary because getting ready for the appliance. Good. Okie dokie. So having that lot out means that gives me more of an opportunity to sort in here, which is the next thing. So I've got a couple more totes. I want to get a resale tote, and what's it? I can't actually. Oh, one for all my resin stuff. I've got resin stuff everywhere, and it's just actually really annoying. So that's what I want to do. So yeah, next week I think will be more scrapping out of some things. What else? yeah, I think we'll do some speed scrapping next week. Getting through all the other stuff. Okay, cool. Okay guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that getting it done sesh. Gotta keep persevering. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. 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 Goodness. Bye.